Welcome to cabin number 5's new kitchen. There's a new countertop in here, and he refinished some of the cabinets, and new sink and stove, and we also have in the entrance a new entrance put in. And going on to the bathroom, he has a walk-in shower, and where the shower used to be now is a sink and a stove. We added this to the new building as well, so now you have a nice large bathroom. And then going into the bedroom, the bedroom has a full-size bed. All the sheets, pillowcases, and blankets are all provided. And then we have the dining room. And this cabin has a fireplace, gas burning, and chairs and tables and everything is in here that you need. And here's the second bedroom. That is a full-size bed in there. And then up in the loft, we have 2 twin beds up in the loft. And then the fourth bedroom has got a set of twin beds on one, twin bunk beds, and then a twin bed on the other one. So there's 3 twin beds in that cabin. And that concludes cabin 5.